What's up guys, this is David from How To Ghost, and today I'm going to show you how to install Ghost on DigitalOcean. Now DigitalOcean is one of the few places that we recommend to install Ghost, and you can see it's actually where we host our Ghost blogs. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. It does take a little bit more of an administrative role, as you have to do your own Ghost updates, your own security patches, that kind of stuff, but it still is a great place to host. And so here we go, let me show you how to do it. Now I've already created an account because I already have one. So if you haven't already signed up, go ahead and sign up. And then once you're in, go ahead and click on the Create Droplet button. A droplet is like their way of saying you create a little VPS, your own OS server. So once this is loaded, you want to click on one-click apps because they actually have an installer for Ghost. Click on Ghost. Size, you really only need $5 a month. If you have a massive blog, maybe 10, but we run all of our sites on $5 a month and they do totally fine. Data region, whatever is closest to you. I'm just going to leave it in New York. All the additional options, SSH keys if you have them. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and choose a host name, Ghost DigitalOcean, and then we're going to go ahead and create it. So now this usually takes about 50 seconds to go through the whole creation process and then also to start up Ghost. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut here, and then we'll cut right back to when it's fully installed. And we're back. So you can see the progress bar finished. It's got everything set up. So now we're going to go ahead and go to the site and create our first user. So go to the IP address, click on copy, open up a new tab, paste it in, and you can see here we got a blank Ghost blog. So go ahead and go to /ghost, which is where we can create the first user. Click on create your account, email address, info@howtoinstallghost.com, David, password, title, How to Ghost. Go ahead and click next. Now I'm not going to invite anybody right now. You can invite other authors here if you'd like, but I'm not going to, so I'm just going to do this later. And here we go. We're in the admin of our Ghost blog. So let's go ahead and create a new post. So the first post title, we can do first post on DigitalOcean, publish now, and publish. All right, so now if we go back to the home page, you can see here's our first post. Open it up, and there you go. Now we got the first post going. The last thing you could need to do is add your domain to it. So the way to do that is you go back to the control panel, go to the droplet. You'll probably only have one, not this many. Click on more, click on add a domain, and then here you would type in your domain. So you could do like howtoghost.com. and then select your droplet, which is GhostDO, and then click on create record. Now I'm not gonna do that because I actually have that URL going to a different domain and I don't wanna screw that up. But you hit create record, and then after a couple hours of propagation, they say it can take up to 2 days. I've seen it pretty quickly. But after the propagation will go through, then your domain will now be pointing to the IP address and you can just go to your domain instead of the IP. So that's it. We got new videos coming out every Wednesday. If you like this video, we do actually have an affiliate link for DigitalOcean. It's howtoinstallghost.com/DigitalOcean. Feel free to use that if you'd like. We do get a commission on that. I believe you also get a couple free months, so it's kind of a win-win situation. If not, that's okay. We totally love DigitalOcean either way and definitely recommend them. We also have a text-based post if you want to follow along at howtoinstallghost.com. So howtoinstallghost.com, DigitalOcean. There's pictures, I'll walk you through it too if this video doesn't help. So that's it. Like I said, we have new videos every Wednesday, and so feel free to subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.